Hello everybody, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and for those who are viewing for the very first time, all we do around here is talk about beauty, mostly DIYs, motherhood, lifestyle, and a little bit of cooking vlogs, so everybody gets something. So if you're just clicking in for the very first time, feel free to hit on the subscription button down below, and please turn on the bell so that you are the first to get notified each time I post a new video. So today guys, I'm attempting to make a curly weave out of these braids. So I watched a tutorial obviously on YouTube, and I saw how easy it is making a curly weave out of ordinary braids. So I said, why not try it out? And it's exactly what I did. So I'm combing through the hair, kind of detangling it so that it's easy for me. So you see me putting some little bit of oil on it so that it's not like a mess. So that's what I'm doing. Sorry guys for the quality. I was trying to make this video without showing my face, and maybe I just don't know how to do it yet. But anyways, this is my very first. I know next time it will be the best. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and put the braids on a straw. As I said, keep adding on that pomade so that the hair does not scatter everywhere, so that the hair is in one place as you're placing it on the straw. So I'm just going to keep rotating the hair on the straw as it's making the curls. So guys, this is my very first time. If it doesn't turn out well, please, that is always a second time to do something, so just bear with me for this. So basically just rotate, then at the end you kind of bend the straw and then fix in a bobby pin so that it does not come out, just like that. So one down, and I don't know how many more to go, but let's do this. Now right there, guys, I'm just trying to trim off the excess hair that remained on top of the hair. I don't know, I just saw like the person was doing it. I don't know why, but I just ended up doing it too. But anyways, maybe there's a really good reason behind that. Shall see when the hair comes out. So just go ahead and trim off the little pieces of hair on top using your scissors. Some were doing it and some were not, but I felt like this maybe has something important to it. That's why I also ended up doing it. So finally, I kind of tried to make something like 60 of them, and I ran out of bobby pins, so I just decided to end there, and there they are. I've already trimmed them out, so right now they are ready to be put in hot water. So let's just go ahead and do that. So you go ahead and add in any conditioner of your choice, and then you add in the hot water, leave it in there for some minutes. For me, I left it for until the water kind of cooled. Is when I took it out. So I left it sit in the water until the water kind of cooled. Then I took it out, put it on a towel, patted it a little bit. As you can see one over there, I kind of did not put the bobby pin, that's why it kind of started going off. But anyways, this is our first time, so next time everything will be so perfect. So just go ahead and leave it to air dry, probably overnight, possibly if you can. So I'm just going to leave it on the table just like that, and then I'll check on it the following morning. That way I believe it will have dried to my liking. So this is my hair dried out. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it out, taking off the bobby pins. Then I start just like rolling it like outwards, like pushing it to the front so that the curls come out in one piece, just like that. So there we go, we got one. Look how bouncy it is, guys. It has come out so well. I know this is the first time I'm doing this, but this gives me hope. Look at how the curls are. Like, just like those I normally buy. Exactly. So you see how springy they are, and guys, the conditioner is making it smell so good. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for all the 60 of them and show you guys the result. So guys, I'm planning on crocheting this hair on my head, but that will be for the next video because it would have been a very long video and I don't want to make you guys waste a lot of time watching one thing. So I'll make that for the next video. I don't know how the curls are going to look like on my head, but I have to do this. I've gone all the way to make them, so I'm not just going to throw them away. Obviously I'm going to plait them, so please subscribe to this channel if you want to see how these curls are going to look like on my hair, or how they're going to come out generally, so that, and turn on the bell so that you get notified when I post the next video of how the curls are going to look like on me. So this is how the curls are looking like. I'm done taking them out. So you can see how the curls are so juicy and they smell really good, guys. So watch out for the next video of how they're going to look like actually on my head. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please, this is the time for you to hit on the subscription button down below, and please turn on the bell so that you get notified each time I post a video, and watch out for the next video that I'm going to post of how the curls look like on my head. So till next time, guys, thank you so much for the love.